Hello friends, this is Chandu. I am going to tell you about the introduction of Linux and the basic commands. The first file from the Hello friends, this is Chandu. I am going to explain about the introduction of Linux and the basic commands. First, the introduction. Okay. Introduction to Linux and basic commands or components అంటారు. దాన్ని ఇట్లా స్టాప్ చేయండి ఇక. Hello friends, this is Chandu. I am going to teach you about the introduction to Linux and the basic commands. First, the introduction. What is Linux and popular of Linux distributions and getting started with the Linux and demonstration of modules 1 and 2 and last the conclusion. Now, the history of the Linux. It is developed by the Linus Torvalds in 1991 and it has some unique features like open source and free, high secure and stable, and more importantly customizable and flexible. Now, popular Linux distributions. First one, Ubuntu. It's a user friendly and great for the beginners. And the next is Fedora. Fedora is known for the cutting edge features. Next, the Debian. Debian is renewed for the stability and the community support. Getting started with the Linux, it has some access method to install the Linux. First one, dual boot. It install alongside another OS. The next, virtual machine. Run Linux within another OS using software like VirtualBox. The next, live CD or USB. Try Linux without installing. Now, Ubuntu app on Windows. Install from Microsoft Store and then set up and first run. Demonstration of Module 1 basic commands. The first command is pwd. It means printing working directory. It shows current directory. Command pwd. ls. It means list directory contents. It lists files and directories. The command is ls. cd. It means change of directory. It changes the current directory. Command cd and the directory name. Now, demonstration of Module 2 file operations. cp. It means copy files. It copies files from one location to another location. The command is cp, the source file destination of the file. Next, mv. It means move or rename files. It moves or renames files. The command is my source file destination file. The next, rm. It means remove files. It means deletes files. Its command is rm, the file name. Next, creating and editing files. Creating a file, it means touch file name. And next, edit a file, nano file name or vim file name. At last, it was conclusion. What we have done in the last sessions. The summary is recap the key points covered and the introduction to Linux in popular distributions and getting started methods and basic commands and final operations.